Oh, hi faves. Good morning, good morning, good morning, good afternoon, and good night. Look who is home with me today. Say morning, faves. Why are you not at school?
Because my ears was hurting.
Right. He had a really rough night. He didn't sleep half of the night. He was crying that his ears is hurting, so I know it's probably some kind of infection or something. So I decided to keep him home and see how he will do. He said he's feeling a little bit better now though. I can take him to school at 1 o'clock, but I don't know if I'm gonna take him. Let's see if that will happen. You wanna go to school later if you feel better? Yes. So yeah, that's what's going on. So I had a long night. I had a rough night, but can you imagine when it will be two of them or more? I'll have to weather it the same way, but I'll be okay. My mama mode will be activated, and I'll be all right. Baby's off to work. He's messaging me that he wish he was home to help me, but he gotta work, so I gotta hold it down. But that's what's going on with Ty. He's not crying now, so I gave him some medicine and stuff, so he should be okay. On that note, I am very hungry. It's almost 10 a.m. because I woke up a bit late because the night was so rough, so we kind of slept in as long as we could. But I am up and about to go make breakfast. I'm super hungry right now. Baby girl is hungry. She's hungry. She's not happy right now. She needs food. So I am going to make some green pressed plantain and some eggs and some tea. I give you medicine last night, but you have to eat off your cereal first before I give you some more. Okay? Okay? Right. So yeah, hopefully you guys are just having a good day and staying love and staying blessed and staying positive and humble and all the good things in this world and in this life. I hope all your blessings will come through and you'll go through today without anyone making you angry or upset for whatever reason it may be. On that note, stay positive, stay blessed, stay motivated. I have some stuff that I want to get done around here, especially folding baby girl's clothes, and I need to start packing my hospital bag because time is going. These weeks are going by so fast, and this mama don't like to wait last minute to do things, so I need to either start packing mine or need to start packing baby girls. But I think I might need to start packing mine first and then pack hers after. So let's see what today's gonna hold, and then Tyler's, because I think Tyler will be at Jen's. Anyway, you guys, let's go make some breakfast. Tyler, yeah? Eat up your cereal, please.
Okay.
Tyler, breakfast is ready. You want some?
Yeah.
Yes.
And so not I get that is food.
Okay, you want the plantain?
That's not gonna make me food.
You're so funny. You're funny?
No.
Cannot find. Come, let's go water your flowers.
Yes.
Get some water. Not too much. Enough, okay. Take your time. Throw back some. It's too much. Okay, stop. Okay. Go water your flowers. Sit here, yours. Right. Good job. Bravo. All right. Put down the pan. No more. No. We'll water the big ones later. We just wanted to water yours right now. Inside. Good job. But to water your flowers 2 days of the week, okay? So you water it today. So you need to water it on Friday again, okay?
Okay.
All right.
I think I
Wait, let me help you.
lock. Lock.
Go get your step. Go get your step. Leave that one, pumpkin. Go get your step. No, 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 no. Pull back.
I'm too far.
That's better.
Yes.
All right.
Finish.
Very good. Thank you.
This one is a dirty.
Yes, those are dirty.
This one. Dirty too. And me gonna do what?
You still wanna help me?
Yes. My favorite song. My favorite. Oh, wow.
You don't want to see
Hi, Faith. Hi, Faith.
You just wanna see. You just wanna see yourself, right?
Yes.
You're so funny.
Hi, Faith. Hi, Faith. Mama, say hello to Faith.
Hello, Fizz. That's okay.
Yes.
Tell Fizz what you're doing. What were you doing just
I'm
now?
helping Mama and we ending the vlog.
No, we're not ending the vlog. You're just helping me to organize and clean the kitchen.
And to organize and clean the kitchen, but I
And now we're gonna go fold baby sister clothes. She have a lot of clothes to fold.
yes, why?
Why?
They said what?
Hmm?
They said what?
They can't answer you.
You said what?
You can't hear them, Ty.
You said what?
Tyler, they cannot hear you. They're hearing you, but through the computer. So they're gonna write in the comment section.
Want to tell me some? It's already clean.
Hmm?
It's already clean.
What?
The kitchen.
No, I have one more thing to do. Put this in the recycle bin, please. What are we gonna do now?
We could do baby sister, don't we?
We're gonna fold all those clothes, right?
Yes.
Right, all right, let's do it. You guys, I have so much laundry to fold for this little girl, but I think this is my last big wash. So
we was tired because we went to bed.
Well, I guess as you guys can see, he's doing a lot better than how he woke up this morning.
Mama?
Yes, Stella?
Put this in the
Oh, yay! Only 3 remain. Ah, 2 one time. Good job. 1 to go. Oh, almost get it. I love that technique. Good job.
again.
Okay. Dang, the sun's scorching my legs.
Let's
Ready?
not play outside. Let's go outside.
That's okay. It won't do you anything. You're too close, man. Get it. Whoa!
Allez, focus.
You missed. It's okay to miss. Go again. Focus this time. What?
Look.
You need to roll it. Don't let it boom. Roll it. Okay?
Super technique.
You're too close. Right. Roll it. Roll it. Not bad. Try again. That's a good roll. It's just that you roll in the wrong direction. So you have to roll it forward this time, not sideways. Wrong direction. Oh, so make you this one like you, sorry. Go. Try again. Get it. Try again. Don't give up. Keep trying. You get it. Yeah. Oh, wow. Yeah. Bravo. You guys, let me show you guys a glimpse of dinner. What I'm making for dinner today. In this pot, I am making polenta, turned cornmeal, as us Jamaicans call it, for the boys. And I made, okay, over here I made dumplings and bananas for myself. And in here, I have steamed callaloo. And in this one, I have tin mackerel. And then the boys gonna have cordon bleu with their polenta. And who is excited?
Me.
You are?
Yeah.
You're having... Okay, guys, this is a side of dinner for tonight. Tyler's plate, Babe plate, and my plate.
And baby sister plate.
And baby sister plate is also mama plate.
Yeah.
All right, go and sit. It's coming.
Mom, because it's stuck in my way.
Okay, I'm coming to help you.
Is this going to turn off?
Mm-hmm. No, stop.
Yes.
Look at my head. This is embarrassing. Let me hold it down at least this time. Won't look too
You
bad.
look like a mad guy. You gotta go fast.
Is it look like a man? Yeah.
Go fast.
Anyway, you guys, I'm giving you guys the expressions real fast tonight. So the Jamaican
Try your
expression.
head.
Because my hair look mad and I still don't wash it as it is. It stay mad until it wash. It's just a simple word you're gonna get for the Jamaican expression for tonight, and it's zeen. Z-E-E-N.
Zin.
Zeen. If baby's telling me something and I said zeen, simple mean yes, I understand what you say. It's just acknowledging that I understand what you say.
Okay. Okay.
Then you can say zeen.
Zin.
Not zen, zeen.
Zin.
Zeen.
Zin.
Zeen.
Zin.
Zeen.
Zin.
Yes, not zeen. Zeen.
Gue. Gue.
Hurry, man, I'm tired of that song.
The French expression for today. I read this one. I never heard it. I read it and so I say, sounds like me. This one is je me sens comme un ballon de foot après un match.
Okay.
Simply mean like I feel my head. It means like I feel myself like a ball of football
Okay.
after a game.
Okay.
It simply means that your head is hurting. Your head is. Understand like you got a lot of. Je me sens
Je me sens
comme un ballon de foot
comme un ballon de foot
après un match.
après un match.
Right.
Alright, you guys. There you have the French and Jamaican expressions for today. You get it?
Make sure you
It's a
get
damn
it.
fool. Alright, you guys, give this video a thumbs up, comment down below, subscribe if you're new to the channel, catch up and keep up, and we'll see you guys tomorrow. And I'm gonna see if I can wash my hair every vlog this week and say that it does happen.
Tomorrow.
So let's see if in the next vlog when you see me, which is gonna be Monday, if there'll be any changes. Bye guys.